This Paris Hilton Air Fryer is a standout kitchen appliance designed to merge functionality with style. With a large 6-quart capacity, it offers versatility through its 8-in-1 cooking functions, making it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. This review will delve into the features, performance, and user experience of this chic and practical air fryer. The first thing you notice about the Paris Hilton Air Fryer is its sleek and stylish design. The cream color, coupled with gold accents, gives it a luxurious feel that can enhance any kitchen decor. Unlike many bulky and unattractive air fryers, this one is designed to be a countertop showpiece. The illuminated touchscreen display is user-friendly and adds to the appliance's modern look. Key features. 1. 8-in-1 cooking functions. Air fry. Achieve crispy, golden finishes with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Roast. Perfect for cooking meats and vegetables to tender perfection. Broil. Great for creating a seared crust on your favorite dishes. Bake. Ideal for baking cakes, bread, and pastries. Reheat. Efficiently warms up leftovers. Keep warm. Keep your food at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Pizza. Specialized setting for making perfect pizzas. Dehydrate. Make healthy snacks like dried fruits and jerky. 2. Digital touchscreen display. The digital interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to select the desired cooking function, adjust the time and temperature, and monitor the cooking progress. 3. Adjustable time and temperature. Offers a wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodating various recipes. The adjustable time control allows precise cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. 4. Large 6-quart capacity. The spacious basket can handle meals for the whole family or meal prep for the week, making it suitable for large gatherings or batch cooking. 5. Nonstick and dishwasher-safe. Both the basket and crisper plate are nonstick and free from FOS, FOA, FOS, and PTFE. They are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The Paris Hilton Air Fryer impresses with its performance. The powerful 1700-watt motor ensures rapid and even cooking by circulating hot air effectively. This results in food that is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside without the excessive use of oil. During testing, the air fryer consistently produced excellent results across various functions. French fries turned out crispy and golden in less than 20 minutes. Roasted vegetables were cooked to perfection, retaining their natural flavors and textures. Baking a cake was equally successful, with the cake rising evenly and having a moist crumb. One of the most significant advantages of the Paris Hilton Air Fryer is its ease of use. The digital touchscreen is straightforward, and the preset functions simplify the cooking process. Even if you're new to air frying, the appliance's intuitive design makes it easy to get started. The clear instructions and preset options remove much of the guesswork, ensuring reliable results with minimal effort. Cleaning the Paris Hilton Air Fryer is hassle-free, thanks to its non-stick components. The basket and crisper plate are easy to remove and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. The exterior can be wiped down with a damp cloth to keep it looking pristine. The 8-in-1 functionality truly sets this air fryer apart. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, roasted chicken, baked goods, or even dehydrated fruit, this appliance can handle it all. The wide temperature range and adjustable time settings provide the flexibility needed for a variety of recipes, making it an all-in-one solution for diverse cooking needs. Users have praised the Paris Hilton Air Fryer for its performance and aesthetics. Many appreciate the large capacity, which allows them to cook substantial portions without needing to batch cook. The stylish design is frequently mentioned as a plus, with many users noting that it adds a touch of elegance to their kitchens. The ease of use, combined with the versatile cooking functions, has made it a favorite among busy families and individuals looking to simplify their cooking routines. Conclusion: The Paris Hilton Air Fryer is an exceptional kitchen appliance that combines style, functionality, and performance. Its large capacity, versatile cooking functions, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any home. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this air fryer offers the tools you need to prepare delicious and healthy meals with ease. The sleek design ensures it looks great on any countertop, making it not just a cooking device, but also a stylish accessory for your kitchen. If you're in the market for an air fryer that delivers on all fronts, the Paris Hilton Air Fryer is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.